So it's that time of the year, the time where you clean your computer. And basically I have a lot to do because it's filthy. Mostly on the top, and probably on the inside too, I haven't looked yet. And while cleaning I will actually upgrade a few things. First of all, we have a new SSD for my games, a few more USB ports because that's always nice, and a new Wi-Fi card because mine is old. And last but not least, fan splitters because, well, why not? So for a bit of an introduction, this is my computer. The specs will be right next to it. And this computer is actually brand new. Well, brand new. I built it back in January and it's been running ever since. Quite well, in fact. As you can see on the computer there's a bit of filth everywhere, notably well, right below the fans, and a lot of dust at the bottom of the computer. So I'm gonna clean all of that and install the new upgrade, which will go under the graphics card. So I'm gonna start disassembling, and I will not be talking a lot, so I will do it all in either time-lapse or B-roll. So see you when I have an update. So, basically, I have ripped out everything I needed to rip out. It wasn't that dirty, though a bit dusty, but I don't really have the stuff I need to clean off the dust, so I will do the best job I can, and the first thing I will be upgrading, quote-unquote, is the fan splitters, because those three Noctras here are basically all running off of the motherboard, when actually I would only need one header because they all do the same thing. This one on the back I will keep alone. These two on the top I will be putting another splitter. I only have three-way splitters, but oh well. So I'm gonna do just that. finishing with the phone because this guy ran out of battery and I just finished, so I won't bother charging it. So the upgrade is done, and as you can see, everything is installed and a bit dust off. Still a bit dusty, but I'm not too worried about that because it's, well, there. And everything is almost dust-free. I mean, I did with what I had, so not a lot, but it's good enough. I mean, I will be properly cleaning it another time, but this is done. USB card is installed, Wi-Fi card is installed, graphics card is installed, and everything else should be installed as well. Oh, and the SSD too, the crucial SSD. So, yep, an upgrade done, and now I will be replugging everything, and that's all. See you later. Hey guys, editing Julia here, just to add a few things while I'm finishing editing the video. This is the first video I fully do in English after my channel transition to English speaking only, since I used to do French before. So I want to ask for feedback. I know that's shocking to ask that on YouTube, but yeah. I want to know what you thought of the video, notably the spoken English from me. If you have any constructive criticism, you're more than welcome to say it, if it's constructive, of course. And I would also like to have something back on the video itself, like quality and light and I don't know, stuff like that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to add at the end of the video, so see you next time when I do another video because I'm super consistent. Bye!